Hey guys, it's Absolute 5 here again. So today, I just want to remind you guys that these are lessons, these are reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the vertical line test. So the vertical line test is you just have a function, and if it hits the function just once, it's an easier way to tell you whether or not something's a function or not. So let's see what the definition says in the book. Okay, definition. It states that a curve in the xy plane is the graph of a function x if and only if no vertical line intersects the curve more than once. So like I was saying before, so let's say we have this graph here, right? This weird looking graph like this. If I take this, let's say I just take this vertical line here and I intersect this function, it hits it once. So visually, this is ideal what it looks like when you're hitting something once. So it's another easier way to determine whether or not, remember the whole sets thing where one point goes to another point? This is an easier way to see how that, since this line hits this function just once, that means that this is a function because it's a smooth curve and that it's one-to-one and onto because it hits it once. Now let me show you a visualization of a function that isn't, oh well, it's not a function because it's not one-to-one. It hits multiple points, it's just that it's a function, but just not one-to-one. So let's say if I gave you this function here, this example, x is equal to y squared minus 2. I can immediately tell you that it is not a function of the usual kind because its graph looks like this. So here's the x, here's the y-axis, here's the 0. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you guys remember from pre-calculus that when you have minus in your function, it's telling you, it's not within the function, it's outside of the function, so it's telling you to move over 2 units to the left. So 1, 2, and then you're just going to draw the function like a parabola, just sideways. Parabolas normally are shooting up on the x-axis like this, but since it's on the y-axis, it's shooting out to the side. And as you can see, that when I take a vertical line, hold on, let me just darken this. Okay, as I take a vertical line, it hits this function more than once, right here and down here. Because, like I said yesterday, that the function, this is a function, but it's not the usual type where it's one-to-one and onto. Remember, meaning you can go forward and backwards, where each element in one set is going to another, only one element in the other set. This line is telling me that this function is hitting this function more than once. Therefore, there are some elements in this set that's going to the same point, which is not onto. Not onto. It's not one-to-one. Excuse me. It's not one-to-one. So ideally, you want to use this to tell if a function is a function or not. So that's basically how you use the vertical line test to determine if a function is a function or not. So I want to thank you guys for watching Absolute 5. Sorry. I want to thank you guys for watching Absolute 5. But it's Absolute 5, excuse me. And my name is Roger Palomino, and math is infinite. And be sure to share, like, and subscribe this video, and be ready for the next lecture tomorrow. Take care.